so many chances. You just don't want to listen. Guys, be careful, all right?
You be careful.
I will, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Don't go back inside.
But please talk to him because he can't be hitting women and instigating.
You've been
shit
very
and
respectful, and I appreciate that. Please take care of your friend.
He can't be hitting women. Like,
No, I get it.
I get he's gay, but he instigated that shit. And like,
I don't care if he's gay or not.
I
That
know,
doesn't
but
bother
he
me.
It's not about gay. Instigated. He was drunk.
All right,
He
wait,
said
don't
this
get
shut up a
don't
little
get
bit.
that close, though,
Listen
please.
to me.
I'm listening.
What you did, let me talk. What you did
See,
is
now you're
unfair
reasonable. Now you're nice.
because
talking
he
quietly.
put his hands on me.
Okay.
I didn't even touch him. You kicking
Well, we're
me
going to
out.
kick him out, too.
You kicking me out because of a guy?
Because you're screaming and you don't listen. You got to
Listen to me. Listen, please. What's your name? Listen to me.
Sergeant Katita.
Okay, I respect you.
Thank you.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
You kicking me out
Yes.
because of a guy that put his hands on
Kicking
me?
you out
That's
Do you want me?
battery
Because
right there. You can't arrest that person because he fucking hit her.
All right.
That's.
Can you?
No.
Okay.
So a minute ago you were very quiet.
Shut up.
respectful.
Shut up.
Right
Shut
now,
up.
right
Shut
now
up.
you're trying to
Do
play
you want
sides
me
here,
to?
you know?
Do you want me to hit you the way he hit me?
No,
Okay.
that would be very bad.
All right.
That would be a very bad
All right.
decision on your
All right.
part. Very
so,
bad.
So you
Okay.
kicking me out because
Yes,
of
I'm
the guy?
kicking you out.
Because of the
I'm
guy?
kicking you out to protect you, honestly. Because if you stay here, you're going to probably end up going to jail.
I want to be his
Okay,
ass.
I get
I
that.
got disrespected.
Okay.
And I don't do fights. I don't.
All right,
I don't fight.
So just leave. Thank you.
leave?
Yes, just leave.
When the police attempted to take her into custody, Jessica resisted, tensed her body, screamed, and refused to cooperate. She insisted that being kicked out was unfair, as she considered herself the victim in the conflict.
Nothing, bro.
Get down.
Stop. Stop. I didn't do nothing.
Because you're not listening.
Okay, I'm listening. Please let me go.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. I gave you so many chances. You just don't want to listen.
Stop. Can you please stop?
Give me your
Can you
hand.
please
Get
stop?
down.
Ow.
Stop
Why she's
it.
going?
Stop it. Stop
Can you
it.
please?
Put your arm
I didn't
behind
do
your back.
nothing. Stop.
I'm telling you right now, just put your hand behind your back.
Stop. I didn't do
Stop
nothing.
resisting.
Can you please stop? Can you please stop?
You want to get tasered?
You're arresting me out of my permit.
Would you like to
I
get
didn't do
tasered?
nothing wrong.
Would you like to get tasered?
Can you please stop?
Just hold her arm.
Bro, can you help me? Bro, she didn't do anything wrong. Bro, she didn't do anything.
Stop.
Please stop.
Stop it.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're going to end up hurting your arm.
Bro, I didn't do nothing wrong.
I got one.
Bro, can you please?
Ready to
help
Mike
me
46
out?
over 10-4 over Mr. Hebert.
Can you please help me out? Can you
That's
please?
good.
Yo, can you help me? I didn't do nothing wrong. He's arresting me for nothing, bro. I didn't do anything. They're arresting me. Can I please get my
She's
shoes?
going.
I need my shoes.
Nothing, bro.
I need my shoes.
Stop
She
it.
did nothing, bro.
I need my
She
shoes.
did nothing, bro.
Okay.
She did nothing.
Can you please stop? Hey,
Stop.
can you please?
Hey, she did
Relax.
nothing, bro. She did nothing. We girls.
Here.
Please, yo, please.
Bro,
Get away. Get away.
bro, look at me.
Get away from me.
What did she do?
You got her first.
What did she do?
Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around, Mike.
Turn around.
Wait, I need my bag, please. I need my belongings. What did I do?
I'm in the front.
What did I
Front
do?
door.
Everything. What did I do?
Stop.
No, I have my everything on there. Please stop. Yo, can you please come here?
Stop.
Okay, don't
I have my
go
belongings
hard
and
on me.
everything on it,
I
please.
won't. Just hang out.
Can I make a phone call?
I need my phone.
Can I make a phone call?
Front parking lot, just to the.
All right, I'm here. You
Stop.
don't have to go hard on me. My nails hurt,
All right. Stop.
bro.
Yeah, I think I know. Hang on.
Come on.
So can I please get my bag and my phone so I can
Just
call
throw
people
cuffs
back
on her.
to me, bitch. Please, no, I have to call
Both
people,
going for
bro.
disorder.
How am I gonna get bailed out? What the fuck?
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. What the fuck?
What did we do?
I gave you guys every chance to just leave.
Can you please put the stuff in the car at least?
Can I get my bag?
I need my phone and my ID. My phone and ID is right there.
Don't worry, we'll get your bag.
My bag is free.
They're not.
My bag is free. I didn't do anything. Why am I getting arrested?
These are your cuffs.
Yeah.
Can you grab her bag, please?
Wait, what? What did I do?
Well, I
I
don't
gave you
know,
guys
bitch.
so many
What?
chances.
But we left.
What did I do?
We literally left.
No, you didn't. You
Yeah,
came
we did.
back. You kept coming back.
I'm sorry, the car's parked right here.
Oh, well. Oh, you were going to drive?
She's driving.
You're going to drive? So you're
I'm
going to
gonna
get a
drive.
DUI?
She's not gonna get it.
I'm not drunk.
Then that's really bad. You're not drunk. If you were drunk, at least we have an excuse.
Stop moving.
These yours?
Yeah. Can I please put them in my car?
Stand still.
I'm sorry. I'm putting the shoes on. You arrested us for nothing. Thank you. Yeah, you told us to leave the lab. We have to come back because we're talking to somebody and you're gonna arrest us for what reason?
Go on video, don't worry.
Oh, it's okay. Because I'm sure you clicked on when you were arrested.
There you go.
Hey, yo! Can you bail us up? Yeah.
Radio passing on Charlie 10-4. Copy, continue.
All right, Jessica. He's got something to tell you, okay?
Jessica, this time you're being trespassed for property. You're not allowed back, okay?
All right. If you come back, you're going to be arrested.
Yeah, I
All
know.
right.
That's your vehicle?
This will be a
Okay.
joke,
It's
but-
gonna be left here. We're not
No,
gonna
it's
tow it
just,
or
I don't
anything.
understand why I'm getting arrested because we were in the
Disorderly
jump.
conduct.
I know, but we
We're not arguing about it. Yeah, I'm going to move her over. Hop out.
The police were forced to use mild force to restrain Jessica. Jessica was arrested on charges of disorderly conduct and resisting an officer. The second woman, Jessica's friend, was also arrested after returning to the hotel and continuing to cause a disturbance, even lying about who was driving to avoid a DUI charge. Both women were handcuffed by the police and taken into custody.
It hurts.
All right, just listen to him. Those cuffs are super loose on you. Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. Nothing you can do about that.
I hate people, bro.
I know. Don't worry about him.
I didn't do anything. I got beat up.
Farrah, just relax. Relax. You were doing
I
just...
didn't even get my hip back.
I know. You were doing just fine in there. Don't freak out now. Listen to what he's doing. Don't worry about him. Just give him 1 second.
Let me.
Don't.
Let me. Okay. But let me. Okay.
It's not hurting you. The more cooperative you are now, and when you get booked in, the faster you'll get out. So don't freak out when you get to the
Bro,
jail.
I'm more peaceful than you think.
Fair. Don't be calling him bro either. I'm just trying to help you out. Just be as respectful as possible. I'll bring your friend next. All right.
Don't want to do that.
Alright, ready? Out here? How long will we be here for? I don't know, probably 30 minutes, 20 minutes.
Did you see a white African female with a blue, yellow bathing suit come onto her after?
I wouldn't pay attention.
Okay.
You're getting arrested around me. Like, where are you?
Just bang your arms to the elbows. Get on right there.
I've never been in your bag. Bitch, your bag.
Your bag, bitch. Where is your bag? We need your bag.
Right here. Chill out, bro. Stop moving.
Just Jess, make sure when you go through booking, if she doesn't make it cooperatively, that you do, so you guys can get phone numbers.
Oh no, I'm trying to have her fucking bailed out because she's crazy. She gotta behave. She has to behave to jail. Hey, I got this property. I'm not trying to fucking stay there for too long. Stop. Be glad that I'm arrested.
Hey, is Sarge still back there? No? Okay. I don't know how long that details till. Might be. I don't know either. I'll figure it out. These cuffs are nice. So loose. I mean, so light. Yeah, they're super light. All right, good luck, ladies. Appreciate it.
This story is a clear example that just a moment of anger or defiance toward the police can make things much worse. If Jessica and her friend had stayed calm, cooperated, and listened to the officers, they wouldn't have ended up being arrested or facing charges. In any situation, staying calm and respecting the law is always the right choice. Sometimes, how you react matters more than what actually happened. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this story meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life and educational videos like this one.